In this video, I will show you how to add Google Drive to your File Explorer on a Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is download the Google Drive app on your device. So what you want to do is come across to google.com/drive/download and then press the blue Download Drive for Desktop button here. So once that's gone ahead and finished downloading, what you're going to want to do next is run the setup program to go ahead and install Google Drive onto your system. At this point, you can add a desktop shortcut if you want to, however this is not essential, and what you want to do is just go ahead and press install. So it just takes a minute or two to run through and install. And once that's installed, what you can do is just either launch Google Drive or press on to close. So what we're going to do is just close this down and come back to our desktop. And now to go ahead and locate Google Drive, it's going to be added to your File Explorer automatically. So in order to locate this, what you're going to want to do is come down to the search icon in the bottom left hand corner, give this a click and then type this PC. Now go ahead and open up this PC underneath Best Match. And to go ahead and locate Google Drive on your File Explorer, it's going to be in your C drive normally. So you want to go into your C drive and then Program Files, and it should be in the Google folder. So you can see the Google folder here. If you double click onto this, we've got the Google Drive here. So that's how to go ahead and add Google Drive to your File Explorer in a Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.